Welcome to Creator OS, where we help you turn your dreams into reality. Today, we're diving into an exciting business idea that's cooking up success across the nation: the custom meal kit delivery business. Imagine this. It's a busy weeknight, and you don't have the energy or time to plan a healthy meal. This is where custom meal kits swoop in like culinary superheroes, saving the day with fresh ingredients and simple recipes delivered straight to your door. The opportunity lies in the rising trend of healthy eating combined with the fast-paced lifestyle most of us lead today. People are looking for convenience but still want their meals personalized to fit their tastes and dietary needs. This means your meal kit business can cater to everyone, from gluten-free aficionados to vegan vegans. Let's talk about the dollars and cents for a moment. There are several revenue streams you can explore in this delicious business. First, consider a subscription model where customers sign up for weekly or monthly deliveries, ensuring they always have fresh ingredients at their fingertips. You could also offer one-time purchase options for those who want to test the waters. And don't forget premium offerings. Think organic ingredients, specialty diets, or gourmet meals that cater to the foodies in your audience. Now you might be wondering, how do I launch such a flavorful venture? To get started, focus on building solid partnerships with local suppliers. Fresh ingredients are key, and having a reliable source for fresh produce and meats can set your meal kits apart from the rest. Next, invest in a robust logistics system. Delivering your kits efficiently and on time is essential. Remember, customers want convenience, so having a seamless delivery process will earn you loyal fans. Digital marketing is your best ally here. With social media platforms and targeted ads, you can reach your ideal audience with ease. Imagine showcasing beautiful images of your meals that make mouths water and showcasing testimonials from satisfied customers. This not only builds excitement, but creates a community around your brand. As we wrap up, remember, starting a custom meal kit delivery business is not just about food. It's about creating a solution for busy lives and promoting healthy eating habits. It's about making cooking fun and accessible. So, if you're ready to embark on this tasty journey, make sure to keep these strategies in mind and get cooking. But before you go, don't forget, like, follow, and subscribe for more mouthwatering insights and innovative ideas. And visit creatoros.me, the ultimate command center for digital creators, where you can build, manage, and grow your business with powerful tools and AI-driven insights. Let's turn your culinary dreams into a successful reality. See you next time.